SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to stop changing the screen brightness on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If the screen brightness on your iPhone is adjusting on its own, then it's likely due to one of two settings. The first setting that you want to check and disable is called True Tone, and you can find this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Display and Brightness option, and then you just need to scroll down again, and you're going to look for this little True Tone option underneath the brightness slider. So you can just tap the button to the right of that, and that's going to turn off True Tone. Now the next option that we're going to turn off is called Auto Brightness. So you're going to want to go back into the Settings app, and then you can scroll down and select the Accessibility option. And now you can choose Display and Text Size from this menu. Now you're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this screen, and you're going to tap the button to the right of Auto Brightness to turn it off. Now your iPhone should no longer automatically adjust the brightness level, and you can manually adjust it by opening the Control Center and dragging this brightness slider up or down, or you can go back to the Display and Brightness menu, and you can adjust the brightness setting there as well. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.